Welcome to Super Deals Alert. Today we are sharing with you the top 10 best-selling cordless drills. Each set includes batteries and chargers, perfect for DIY projects or professional tasks alike. Find the right tool to tackle any job with ease. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill/Driver Kit, 2 batteries and charger included. Number 2. Deko Power Drill Cordless, Deko Pro Cordless Drill 20V Electric Power Drill Set Tool Drills Cordless Set with Battery and Charger 20V Drill Driver Kit. Number 3. AVID Power 20V Max Lithium-Ion Cordless Drill Set, Power Drill Kit with Battery and Charger, 3/8" keyless chuck, variable speed, 16 position and 22 PCS drill bits. Number 4. Stalwart 18V Cordless Power Drill Set, 89 pieces set with battery and charger. Number 5. DEWALT XTREME 12V Max * Cordless Drill/Driver Kit, 3/8". Number 6. HART 20V Cordless 1/2" Drill/Driver Kit, 2, 1.5 Lithium-Ion batteries, Gen 2. Number 7. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max POWERCONNECT Cordless Drill Kit plus 100 pieces kit, orange. Number 8. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Drill and Home Tool Kit, 68 pieces. Number 9. Stalwart Drill Set 12V 1/4" keyless cordless drill, 1 battery, charger and hard case included. Number 10. Deko Pro 8V Cordless Drill Set with 3/8" keyless chuck, 42 pieces accessories, built-in LED, Type-C charge cable, pink power drill for drilling and tightening/loosening screws. The links to these products are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Happy deals hunting!